Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the watch and protecting finishes. This prevents scratches and contamination. Once secured, peel tape over the bezel edge, then insert your case opener or thin blade at the seam. Apply steady, even pressure. Do not pry wildly, because the crystal retaining ring can bend. If you see a snap ring, use a small screwdriver to depress it while you lift the bezel. Make sure to keep parts on a microfiber cloth so nothing rolls away, and you can see screws and clips clearly. Now you determine how the crystal is mounted and act accordingly, identifying gasket, snap-in, or threaded saves mistakes. For gaskets, warm the bezel lightly to soften the rubber, then use a crystal lift or small suction with steady vertical pull. For snap-in crystals, depress the retaining ring and pry up at the opposite side. If threaded, rotate counterclockwise with proper spanner. Throughout, support the movement from beneath so you don't flex the dial. Once loosened, lift straight up to avoid chipping the edge. Finish by thoroughly cleaning the crystal seat and inspecting or replacing the gasket. Cleanliness ensures sealing and prevents fogging. Once done, position the new crystal and use a crystal press with matching dies to apply even pressure. Press slowly until it seats flush. Make sure to test water resistance and check timekeeping after reassembly. If the crystal won't seat or the hands rub, reopen and confirm crystal size and dial alignment. Misalignment is the most common issue and usually fixes with repositioning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.